Mexico, 6 out of 10 other adults use some types of medicine to treat their ailments and have an optimal state of health. In nursing homes, caregivers are responsible to provide them, their patient, looking for an efficient this activity. A car being developed to take supplies different place following a black line. It is programmed in terms of hours and is friendly or designed for other people and having an appearance for a hamster. The purpose of this project is to supply the attendants by distributing the medicine to spend more time monitoring the patients. One of the biggest advantage of the versatility is the versatility between the things that the car be able to transport, which makes an ideal different situation and space. One of this possibility used to also with people who have a limited motor skills, which makes suitable and different area present accessibility and very useful tool for people and institution to require it.
Objective of the project is transport the medicine required by the user in a friendly and comfortable way, facilitate the care of the people with different abilities or age or some say that hinder the motor skill. A major factor in quality of life is health, which is key to when you reach an advanced age. For this reason, this prototype has been created to maintain the health of the area in a more practical way.
This report was made with the purpose of documenting the final part of the classroom project during the semester, showing how it was carried out and put together over the time, showing evidence of the final result, as well as how the knowledge of each subject was related and applied in the project, in a visible or implicit way, taking advantage of this knowledge to achieve the objective.
For this project, we use an Arduino Uno that unites all components in one circuit, which facilitates its programming. We also include infrared sensor it used to detect the black line so that it follows it, an ultrasonic sensor a tracker that is able to avoid obstacles in wheel and RTC module is used to program the ore you want. The car can be turned on via web application to fulfill these tasks. We add sensor to the car and we develop an app for the phones.
One of the greatest features of our project is its versatility, as it can be applied to nursing homes as well as shopping centers for the parcel area or workshops such as our school to transport tools. In addition, we plan to make modifications so that the car can rise when making deliveries or recording its tours. We can also modify its materials to make it less fragile so that it can be under the sun for a long time or to support more weight. We hope this project will contribute to better care for older adults by allowing their caregivers to spend more time focusing on their needs than on delivering medicines.
Well, in physics. In physics, Newton's laws are applied, which are presented within the movement of our prototype. The car does not change its state of movement if a force is not applied to it. In this case, it is due to the motors and the friction between the tires and the track. Circular motion is also applied, which was presented by the curve and that we made through which our prototype passing in part of this movement. It was possible to observe the centrifugal force by increasing the speed of the car. The work and the power are also present, following the action that the motors perform, so that the wheels turn and the car can continue in movement presenting a displacement, also at the moment of braking. The equations at the study of cinematics and dynamics are implicitly present. Gravitation is present, since the car is always affected by the gravity making it stays on the floor or in our case on the table. Reference systems are also present in which of the sensors are in a non-inertial system and we as observers are in an inertial system.